All right, let's swing around here. Got a convertible right here, right up here, and got a couple over here. So I have no idea. 7th, 8th, I have no idea how many videos I've done today. But I like that when they do this. They tore this thing down, pillar to post and post to pillar. Hell yeah. Look at that. Those are nice. It was cool to see that Chevette. That was really cool. The last video. So, oh, this is nice. I like this one. This is cool. Nice. Little 2-seat. Nice little engine. 1958. Love it. You go over here, got a couple wagons over here we can go look at. I don't know if it's a Pinto or not. I love these old, unique vehicles that you don't see all the time. All these cool cars. So, what is this vehicle? Oh, look. Look at that bad boy. Nice Trans Am. I like that. Hell yeah. Let's see what this thing is. Oh, it's a Maverick. Yep, remember that one. Uh, 1970. Very nice. Oh, classic. Another wagon. Classic, classic, classic. Love it. Got the another GTO here. Yeah, the Machine National is cool. They got a lot of cool stuff. That bad boy, nice. Love that clean paint job on that bad boy. I love the Mach 1s. That one you saw a couple videos ago was kind of cool. I love those. Those are cool. My brother had one like that one. Mustang. My brother had one just like this one. It was a green one. What year is this? Yeah, I think he has 73, but yeah, classic. Yep. What? 2 of them? Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, he loved it. It's a great Mustang. They butchered them now. They're butchered now. 4-door ones. I know. They butchered it. Nice. Brother bitch. Well, here's some nice one. I like this. GTO. Nice. Oh yeah. Very nice. You can tell that's worn. That's original. Very nice. There. Got some SS's. Got a Camaro. It's a nice yellow. Nice. Heck yeah. What do you guys think, huh? Always got good vehicles here, man. A lot of Malibus. The Corvair coming up on this one on my left up here. Unsafe at any speed. You still see him around. Go down here, but yeah, there's so many cool. There's a 68, I think Caprice over there or something, but yeah. I could probably do 20 videos and walk around here, but nice. The old 427. Yep, there's that bottle I told that guy right here. That's original stock right there. Yep, right there. Yep. 27, nice. Malibu. Very nice. Love it. It's classic. Battery right there, you can get at it. 63 Ford. Nice. So I think that might be a Caprice over there. I think. That's a nice convertible. Falcon. Nice. Put the top down, bro. Yeah, people just cruise around all over the place. Kind of cool. Oh, this one. Who's bad boy?
Hot rod shopping. He's one of them.
Kind of an old school popcorn. Nice. Nice. How about food truck? Look at this bad boy. Nice. Nice. That's a nice Impala. Very, very nice. Woo. $69. I think it is. A little low rider action. Bad boy. Am I right? Yep. Impala. Low rider. For sale, man. Put the top down, man. You're cruising. Classic. Good old caddy right here. Big dog. That'd be a cool vehicle to buy. Only for $5 grand. It's a good deal. Be fun. You store it. Paint a really cool color. Call it the Black Beast. Yep. Needs a little work, so what? 651-329-5710. Chair's pretty clean. That'd be a fun vehicle to buy. We can put the body in here. No body, no crime. You know? Yeah. Ha. Ooh, Malloy. Classic. Get at those bad boys.
I got out of my driveway. I'm like, oh fuck, dude. It was like I had no power steering wheel.
Over here. Work our way down to that Caprice. We'll go over here. Cruise along down here.
Oh no, I'm there.
1969. Biscayne, that's a classic one. That's a rare one, very rare. It's nice. Yeah, you don't see those Biscaynes. There's a Cadillac over here. That big, oh, you got another Dodge one here. That's a big dog. Ooh, my lord. Nice. Look at that big dog. Holy moly. Whew. Jesus. Heck yeah. So here's another Dodge. You guys saw the other one. See our caddy over here. Look at that bad boy. Yep, another one. Yep. Let's see what year it is if they have it on here. That one was a 79. That bad boy, classic. All right. We'll go over to the Caprice. All right.